Welcome to Algebra 1 release question number 46. It says, at what points do the lines represented by the equations 2x plus y plus 1 equals 0 and 4x plus y minus 3 equals 0 intersect? So this is another way of saying if you graph these, where do they cross? We can also figure this out not by graphing necessarily. We could do that. We could figure it out by graphing, but we can also figure it out by substitution or linear combination type method. I'm going to use substitution here since I haven't used that too much. I'm going to start with this equation right now. I'm going to get one side equal to just y. So I'm going to write that over here. I've got 2x plus y plus 1 equals 0. If I were to subtract 2x from both sides of the equation and subtract 1 from both sides of the equation, the 2x would cancel, the positive 1 would cancel. I'd be left with y equals negative 2x minus 1. So I'm going to take this value now, since y equals negative 2x minus 1. I'm going to take that expression, and in place of y over here, I am going to plug in that. I'm going to plug in negative 2x minus 1. And so I'll do this part in green just to make it easier to follow. So now I have 4x plus, and I'm plugging in this for y. I've got a y right here. It becomes negative 2x minus 1. So I have that still minus 3 equals 0. This plus sign won't change anything inside there, so I can just rewrite this as 4x minus 2x minus 1 minus 3 equals 0. Solve that for x. I've got 2x minus 4 equals 0. Add 4 to both sides. That gives me 2x, this cancels, equals 4. Divide by 2 on both sides. I've got x equals 2. So my x value should be 2. That eliminates choices C and D. So what's my y value? Is it 5 or negative 5? Well, all I need to do is take this and this right here and right here, put these two things together, these two equations together, and solve for y. So I've got y equals negative 2 times x. X we know is 2. We just solved for that. Minus 1. That should be y equals negative 4 minus 1. Minus 1. Not equals 1. There we go. Which means that y equals negative 5. And so you've got 2. You've got negative 5. Your final answer for number 46 should be choice B.